What is it that makes a city cozy? What is it that injects vitality into ordinary life? What is it that brings infinite possibilities to the future? More than 2 centuries ago, the birth of cement left its mark on the history of architecture. Nowadays, cement has epitomized the unremitting efforts of Yufeng Group from generation to generation. Yufeng has become one of the most important cement manufacturers after 65 years of development. Gathering from near and far, a group of constructors from different corners of the nation gathered in the weed-ridden Taiyang village in the suburb of Liuzhou City in 1958. They built the Liuzhou Cement Plant, which was Guangxi's first medium-sized cement plant. Time goes by. The Liuzhou Cement Plant ascended to the top of the industry and made miracles. It also stagnated amid hardships and obstacles. Yufeng began to follow the trend in the 21st century. Amid fierce competition, we partnered with Xizhiang Group, a state-owned company, and successfully expanded our presence in the local market. Remarkably, our cement capacity doubled. Yufeng joined Guangxi Beibu Gulf International Port Group along with Xizhiang Group in 2018, which heralded a concerted effort for the third undertaking. A more magnificent blueprint for the development of Yufeng unfolded on the blue waters of the Gulf. Technological innovation is the first among many thousands of paths one could choose. Thus, we, driven by science and technology, adopted multiple measures to raise the input in R&D and double our efforts to tackle challenges. Yufeng finally bridged the last kilometer to convert scientific and technological results into products and productivity. Special cements were launched, including ultra-low alkali cements, cements for nuclear power plants, and high-quality slag cements. As our diverse, brand-differentiated, high-quality products gain popularity in the market and our special products enjoy ever greater market share, we have gained a broad space for survival and growth amid fierce competition by demonstrating vitality and vast potential. Talent is the key to a millennium-old industry. Based on the platform of Guangxi Green Cement Industry Engineering Institute and an array of scientific research projects, HAUSI have extensively developed our researcher team through the cooperation of industry, academy, and research. Yufeng is home to more than 50% of the high-caliber technicians in Guangxi's cement industry, making us a cradle of cement development technology in the province. Yufeng is the first cement enterprise in Guangxi, which has 6 scientific research platforms. Up to now, it has undertaken 48 major R&D projects at the national, regional, and municipal levels, achieved 45 R&D results, won 22 national, provincial, and municipal awards for science and technology, and owned 83 patents. In 2011, our report titled Energy-Saving Technology for the Power Selection Process of Tube Mills Operating in an Open Circuit and its Application to Green Cement Manufacturing received the 2nd prize at the National Technological Invention Awards. It was the first National Technological Invention Award given to a company in Guangxi. Yufeng adheres to green, sustainable development. We respond to the national policies of peak carbon emissions and carbon neutrality, and we actively participate within the pattern of a new urban ecological civilization. Yufeng performs green practices through the use of a sincere model. Specifically, by virtue of a new cement waste treatment technique with a dry process kiln, urban sludge treatment and cement production have, for the first time, been combined in the province. The comprehensive use of urban sludge, industrial waste residues and stems, domestic waste, and coal gang transforms such recyclables into an equivalent annual capacity of 1 million ton of cement products. The experience in sludge treatment has been introduced to Beihai. As a result, Phase 1 of Beihai Yufeng Environmental Protection Technology Company Limited has been launched. Waste residues from industrial clusters in the Taishangang Industrial Park are converted into high-quality cementing materials. Solid waste recycling, therefore, provides a fundamental solution to the challenge of treating industrial waste residues from Beihai City and surrounding areas. It also effectively treats smelting waste residues and other industrial solid waste in the Taishangang Industrial Park. Yufeng, as a state-owned enterprise, thinks from the perspective of the overall situation and has a long-term vision. We bear in mind the mission of the development of ecological civilization. In the context of peak carbon emissions and carbon neutrality, it keeps in mind the utmost interests of the nation, focuses on competitiveness enhancement, balances economic and social benefits, as well as short and long-term benefits, coordinates its own development and social progress, and endeavors to achieve all-win results inside and outside the group. Taking advantage of the Beibu Gulf International Gateway Port and the new International Land-Sea Trade Corridor, we plan our layout based on the marine economy and broadens our vision of development. Phase 1 of Beihai Yufeng Environmental Protection Technology Company Limited has been put into action. Its products are sold to the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area, Southeast Asia, and even Africa. It increases the throughput of the port by 2 million tons, and as the project is completed, a great marine advantage will manifest. Yufeng will have a new strategic pivot point and profit generator. Qin bricks and the Han tiles were famous in ancient times, and Yufeng cement is well known today. Through 65 years of relentless effort, we at Yufeng have consolidated our corporate foundation with success through perseverance and diligence. We've demonstrated tenacity by overcoming countless obstacles and have built the group as a close-knit community. Facing the ocean with chins up and eyes on the future, everyone at Yufeng will closely follow Beibu Gulf International Gateway Port as they passionately pursue the dream of making centennial glory and RMB 10 billion revenue of Yufeng. With a global view, we will gather our resources and set forth on a promising journey.